Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to install WordPress on localhost. So let's get started. First of all, open Xampp and then on Apache and MySQL, click to start installing. Now open localhost in new tab and now my PHP admin will open. On that, click on the databases button and now write the name and click on the create button. So open wordpress.org in new tab and now click on the get started button. So afterwards, click on the download WordPress option. And here is the downloaded zip file of WordPress in this PC. So after that, click Xampp and then click on the htdocs. Now place the zipped WordPress file here. And now extract the file. So here's the folder of WordPress. Now open localhost with the name. And after opening it, select the language. Here you have to write information and then submit. After submitting it, run the installation. And now fill the information needed. And then log into the WordPress. After that, open WordPress in new tab with localhost plus name plus mention wp/admin. Plus mention wp-admin. Now write email and password and click on the login button. So here's the WordPress. That's how you will install WordPress in localhost. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.